see him. Okay. All right, so I'll talk and then I'm going to take a picture of him digging too. It's hitting him. It's hitting him. Okay. That's taking a picture. Okay. Hey you guys, we're here tonight. Little sad occasion. My little friend here, and they're beautiful that you've seen in one of my videos, the puppy. He passed away this evening, so their dad is giving him a place to rest, and it's really hard. So we want to do this in remembrance of DOG. He's a wonderful little dog, well, big dog, but he's little, young. How old is he? 4 months? 3 months? Oh, and you guys have seen him in some of my videos. He's the big, clumsy puppy that was just fun. And belonged to these kids right here that you guys met in my other video. And Brandon is very, very sad, super sad. And their dad is digging this. This is their pet cemetery. Yep. They've got several pets in here. And so we're gonna have him there, and I can't think of what to say. I'm not very good at funerals. I'd be terrible at a funeral. I can't think of anything to say. Yeah. And we're gonna take care of him. He's gonna be taken care of and have a really nice place for his journey. Okay. Here, the kids are going to say a few things about DOG and how much they loved him.
He was clumsy.
He was funny, huh? He was a funny dog. Oh, it's awfully loud here. We might have to go get around the corner. Okay. This is Brandon and Jaden, right? Yes. I have it right now. And they lost their puppy, DOG, earlier this evening, and their dad's burying him, and that was what I had on the video earlier. They are going to tell us a little bit about their puppy dog.
He was very clumsy. He was super cute.
I loved him.
He had big feet.
Huge feet. He would have been a horse, you guys. That dog would have been a horse. And they have a lot of dogs, you guys. I think you've seen them in a lot of my videos.
He had 5. He already was bigger than all of them.
Yeah, he was, huh? He was, when he was first, when Troy brought him over here the first time, he was so small, but with big, huge paws.
That's how awesome he was. He was really small, but like with a huge tongue and big paws.
And he always liked to fall over and lean on you.
Yeah.
And
with me night runner.
Did he always sleep by you?
He was a good dog, though.
Yep. Didn't go out on the road.
No. Didn't even, well, one time he ran across. Him and Oscar did.
Mm.
Yeah, he was a good dog,
So, tell him how old he was.
He was about 12 weeks. 4 to 6 months.
And they're not sure. They had just given him his shots like a week ago, and they're not sure if he got, they like to go out in the bush in the country out here like you've seen in our other videos that we've made, and chase the wild animals, and maybe got rabies or had parvo or something. We're not sure.
I feel like he had rabies.
He was a cute little guy. And he's in their pet cemetery with all their other pets that they love so very much also. So, just wanted to make a quick video so that there was something to remember him by, and for the kids. And also, because I do have other videos, I think at least one where he's in it. And he runs into me. He was running over by the shop, and I was doing one of the car videos. And they were playing. In fact, you were yelling. Yeah, you were yelling at him because you thought he was fighting or something. I said, no, I think they're playing. But anyway, you guys, these guys are kind of sad, but it's part of life, and they know that. But this way, they have something to remember. They can get on YouTube and watch it, and I'm going to try to get some of the other video and put it with this or something. I'm going to see what I can do. All right, have a great evening and day, because you know you can. Peace. Okay, we're going to be seeing the puppy, I hope, here in just a minute. Trying to get that thing to go down. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna miss it. Okay. Hopefully we're gonna have it here in just a minute. Oh my gosh, I don't know why that keeps coming up. That's the video he's in, is some more vintage cars. And he was, everybody loved him. He was so fun. That's him right there. That's DOG. And they're playing, running around. And this was just not that long ago. He was doing just fine. And so it was quite a surprise. It wasn't expected for him to pass away like he did. Oops, sorry. That's like the best I can do on a video of him. I didn't realize he was going to leave us like he did, so I didn't have time to make more videos of him. There might be some other videos that he's in the first second or two. I'm not sure, but this is for the kids, and I hope that everything is going to be okay with them emotionally. Please have a great day.